Hi, I'm Audra Rasnake. I'm teaching for AQS and I specialize in Needleturn Appliqué, and I'd like to share a few quick tips. These are tips that I give to all of my students. First would be anytime that I am doing leaves that have to attach to a stem, I recommend that you start appliquing the leaf toward the stem. Applique tends to shift no matter how good you are at it, and sometimes if you're shifting away on that leaf, by the time you come back to whatever you're trying to attach it to, you don't have enough fabric. That's one of my tips. I also advise my students to, say if it was this block and I lined up this circle first and got it laid down, I would use that one point of reference from that time on to line up everything else in the block, because if stuff begins to move and you're correcting it each time, you're going to end up with a train wreck by the time you're done. I also advise all my students to keep a very wide variety of grays and taupes, because sometimes those are good blenders if you cannot find an exact thread to match what you're working on. So keep those tips in mind and see if they help you.